situation of the company involves evaluating its internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats. The company is performing well in key areas such as product quality, customer retention, or revenue growth, but faces challenges in market competition, brand awareness. So the focus is on addressing these challenges. Environmental factors refers to external elements that influence a company's operation and performance. This can be categorized as first, economic factors, social factors, technological factors, political and legal factors, and environmental factors. Competitive analysis is the process of studying and evaluating competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, market strategies, and positioning. It helps a company identify opportunities, anticipate threats, and improves its competitive edge by refining its own strategies to better meet market demands. Marketing trends refers to the evolving patterns, strategies, and technologies shaping how businesses connect with their audiences. These trends often reflect changes in consumer behavior, technological advancement, and market demands. Market potential refers to the total demand of revenue opportunity available for a product or service within a specific market. It estimates the maximum possible sales if the entire target market were to purchase the offering. Understanding market potential helps businesses access growth opportunities, prioritize resources, and set realistic goals for market penetration and expansion. Market research findings gained from collecting and analyzing data about customer preferences, market trends, and competitor activities. These findings guide decision-making, identify opportunities, address challenges, and help refine marketing strategies to better meet business objectives and customer needs. Property needs analysis is the process of assessing the requirements for a specific property, whether for personal use, business, or investment purposes. It involves identifying key factors such as location, size, budget, features, and intended use. This analysis helps individuals or businesses make informed decisions on purchasing, leasing, or developing properties that align with their goals and objectives. SWOT analysis is a strategic tool used to assess a business's internal and external factors. Strength is internal capabilities and resources that give the company an advantage, such as strong brand, skilled workforce, or unique technology. So next, opportunities. External factors or trends that a company can capitalize like a new market. Next is threats, external challenges that could impact the business such as economic downturns, intense competition, or regulatory changes. A SWOT analysis helps company develop strategies by leveraging strengths, seizing opportunities, addressing weaknesses, and mitigating threats. A market positioning statement is a concise declaration that defines how a company wants its brands, product, or service to be perceived in the market relative to competitors. It highlights the unique value offered to a specific target audience and explains why the offering is the best choice. Technically, it includes the target market, the brand unique selling proposition, and the key benefits that differentiate it from competitors.